17 years old na yung anak ko. Ang saya-saya ko, malaki na. So anyway, ngayon is garage sale day, 6:30 ng umaga. May pupuntahan tayo pre, isang community sale. So hopefully makahanap tayo, makabili tayo ng mga items natin pang resell online. So sama tayo, samahan niyo ako and mag-treasure hunting. Alright, let's go. Good morning. I'm good. How are you? Good. Tommy Bahama. Titan. Vintage dito, okay.
There's your $5, whatever is in that.
$5? Okay. All sports. Made in US. Vintage. Do you have any electronics?
Anyone?
Electronics?
No electronics.
No electronics, okay. Let's see. How much for these?
$1.
$1? Okay. Maganda to pero PC game. I'll just grab these two.
Okay.
So $6.
$6.
$5, $6. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Alright, pre. So, made in USA ni pre kaya kinuha ko na Ralph Lauren. So, vintage to for sure. Let's go.
Bago pala tayo mag-continue, shout out muna kay Chela and Irvan from Melbourne, Australia. Shout out sa inyong dalawa. Salamat sa support. Ingat kayo.
She didn't get the car in front of her.
Vintage.
So was her phone?
Yeah.
Is she okay?
Yeah, I asked her that. They were both fine.
He was in his phone.
I guess so, yeah.
That's why I try to leave.
Yeah,
That's only between, because I got hit behind.
Yeah.
And
Is this
there's
old?
Another one also.
That is probably 1990s.
Okay.
Didn't you have
Mid to
another
late
one also,
90s.
Donna?
No,
That's
it was
nice.
Carousel.
And they still work?
Is it
Yes.
out?
Last time
it's
we
out
used it worked.
It works. Okay, cool.
If you need us to,
You might have
No.
you'll have to put batteries in.
No, no
And
worries.
there's a carousel in the other room
Yeah.
too, like that. But we can do a holding pile for you if you decide you want it.
Sure. Yeah, no, I'll grab them for sure.
those are
They're like
brand
the
new, they're
Tango.
ladies, size 8.
How much are you asking for them?
I think there's a number on it.
Oh, it's right here in the back. $80. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice piece.
I don't even think they've ever been warmed.
They haven't. Dad bought them for long.
She would warm. I thought so. 'Cause I was
What's
like
the difference in ladies' shoes and men's shoes?
2 sizes. Those are a men's, those are a men's size 6. Oh, my dad wanted to wear them. It's too small.
Ganda nito, pre. $10. Vintage din to, pre. So, kukunin natin to. Ang ganda nito. Tingnan nyo. Walmart. May 1992, pre. May ano pa? May resibo po. 1992. Vintage to, 1992. May resibo sa loob, pre. May date pa. Sa Walmart nila binili 1992. So, kunin natin to. Nakatakot naman yung ano yan. I'll grab this one too.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
And
welcome.
just keep on looking.
Yes.
There's a lot.
Some of these things, like these, the painting done in this style,
Uh-huh.
my mother did all those.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And there's some more, there's a couple of Christmas.
Over there? Yeah. I'm gonna look around for sure.
Okay.
So there's still some more in the back?
Yes, just
Okay.
go out the back door and turn around.
Ganda nun, pre. Mga vintage yung mga Christmas stuff, pre. So dito, tingnan natin. $1. Hopefully may mga vintage sila dito. Mga clothes, mga pambabae lang to. Mga pambabae. I think yung Christmas stuff, maganda yun, pre. Ang ganda yun. Alright, let's go. Ang ganda din to, vintage din to for sure. Hindi kasi ako nakaano yan eh. Ito mga vintage to. Made in Korea, bro. It's interesting. Ano to? Vintage no? Made in... Uy! Made in USA. Made in USA to, pre. Ito magkano to? $3 no? Wherever. Uy, baka bibigyan ko. Tingnan natin. Wherever to, pre. Sometimes may mga yung ganyan, mga mamahalin yan. Vintage made in USA. Tingnan natin. Wherever. Ever. Vintage. Cookware. And then the pot. $12 lang. $9. Hindi masyadong mamahalin. Yan kasi. Ano lang yan. Pero $3 ang set kaya to. Set of 3 na kasi din eh. Kunin ko na lang kaya yan. $3 lang may isang set. Ito ano to? Ito din. Wherever din. Pero $30. Ito na siguro maliit. Huwag na lang ito na. Baka kasi maano lang to eh. Set of 3. Okay na to. Hindi ko na mabenta. Set. Tingnan na magkano ang set niyan ng mga set. Cookware set. No. Tatlo, $3. May tatlong. Ito, $125, $39. Ito, may $42. Wala lang tong takip. Ito, $79.99 wherever. Pero 8-piece set. Pero ang takip, included ang takip. Kunin na lang ko to. Kasi $3 lang naman eh. So, ito kunin na ito. Set. Sana may takip. Wala kasi. Ito yung takip nito. Baka ito nga. Ito kaya yan? Ito yung takip nito eh. Yan. Yan. I wonder if ito yung takip. Siguro ito nga. Kasi kasya eh. Let's go. Alright pre. So $18 lahat pre. Ang gaganda itong mga Christmas bro. Mga vintage. So hopefully may kikita tayo ng mga yan. So hindi na masama yan. Alright. So punta tayo. Hanap pa tayo. Ang aga pa. May iba kasi dito magsa-start 8 community sale to pre, mga 30 minutes away sa bahay. So yeah, ang ganda yun, no? $5 and ito din. Ito ang pinaka ano kasi may ano may resibo na 19 something 1995 or ano. It's so crazy. Alright, let's go. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Alrighty, another day.
Another day, huh?
used to work on cars and I bought it and I never used it.
Uh-huh.
I had a stroke, then a heart attack. I said,
Oh,
no more. Yeah, I used to work on Volkswagen. I retired.
how long did you work there?
On the Volkswagen,
Uh-huh.
I did it here at home. I had a car club.
Oh,
Yeah. I had a car club.
this is beautiful.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't even know how to use it. I bought it and I never used it.
There's another. Will you take 20?
25.
25? Yeah, I'll take that for 25.
Can't beat it.
Yes, for sure. For brand new. Should I give it to her?
You don't watch it.
Ah, you have change? Sorry, that's 50. I used to play one. Ito pe, nakakatawa to kasi itong in-advertise kasi ito na mayroon silang madaming video games. Kaya itong mga amaw na to, mga amaw, sila naghihintay ito para magbukas. 8:30 pa daw sila magbubukas eh. Pero tingnan natin, nakakatawa, naghihintay sa mga video games. Ang daming video games. Tingnan natin, pero hindi yung video games ang ano natin. May mas marami pa sila. Tingnan natin. Let's go. Ito pre. Kaya ako dito pre. And then 35 siya din. American breed.
Bought all that, guys. All the video games, guys. Sorry. Back. Someone just bought. Someone just bought. No, you can have what you have. Oh, okay.
Gore-Tex jacket, Gore-Tex leather jacket. Mumurahin na itong Gore-Tex. Murahin na yung Gore-Tex. Ito kung sa akin. Hanap ko din magandang presyo nito. GoPro pre. GoPro. And then the calculator. Teka, ano pang meron dito pre? Mga jacket. American breed.
Ito lang pre. Kunin natin to. Ito pinakamaganda. Carhartt. Alright. Let's go, let's go. Hindi natin magamit lahat. Sapatos. Martins. How much for all these? The Martins bill.
Same premise.
So 15.
15, yeah.
And then 10.
Okay.
So 25. This one I'll do 25.
25 for that.
I do 20.
You do 15?
I do 15. So
Okay.
we had 15, 25,
40?
40.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think this is yours. How much do you have on this?
Oh, $1.
Okay. So 41,
And then let's do 42.
42. Okay, perfect. Pwede ito lahat, pre. Thank you, sir.
This one, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, pre. Hindi na ito masama, pre. $42 lahat, pre. Hindi na ito masama for $42. Thank you. You too. Alright. Hindi na masama, pre, no? $42 lahat. Mamahalin yung mga video games nila, pre. Yung mga maganda sana yung mga Game Boy, ganun. Pero $60 ang ano. So, walang pera dun sa mga game console. So, ito okay na to. Magkano kayo itong GoPro 3, no? Hindi ko pala na-search. Pero $10 lang naman ang chinarge niya sa GoPro 3. So, hindi na tayo lugi dyan. Diba? Alright, let's go! Alright, puntahan natin to. Last na to, pre. Kasi kailangan kong maging maaga. Kasi bibilhan ko pa ng cake si Andre. Birthday kasi niya eh. So, kailangan ayaw kong uwi ako ng maaga. Tingnan natin ano muna dito, pre. Mahal nito, pre. Mahal din pre, exit. Mahal din. How much for these? $2? $2. Bilhin ko to. Smart Wi-Fi garage door. Okay, please. Mahalin yan.
Pero ahí no puedo meter.
Ang gaganda dito, pre. Ito. Under Armour na bag. Nako. Ibilhin nyo to. No. Bilhin ko to para sa inyo to. Bibenta ko to. Papasa ko sa inyo mga pre. Under Armour na bag. Security lights. Fixture. Magkano to? Outdoor. $38.15. Murahin lang. Wag na. Ito ipapasa ko sa inyo for sure. Ano ba? Action picture. Interactive. Vintage yata to eh. 1998 pre. Vintage yata yan eh. Ano natin? Kano yan? Wala. EM Vincent Cup. Uy, ito maganda to. $8, 18, 25, 14. Murahin lang. Ito ano to? Wilson Cellular Booster. Signal booster. Maganda to. $49,119, 63. Uy. Anak, kukunin na natin to. Mahalin to pre. Cynthia. Alright, so okay na to. I think I'm ready. I have all these right here. I'm getting all these.
Ya, ¿este cuánto? This is 5 and
5 and 5, so
10 and 20.
20, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You too. Alright pre, so hindi na masama. $20 to lahat. So I think goodbye to. And then itong Under Armour na bag, ipapasa ko to sa inyo. So tayo na, punta tayo, bili tayo ng cake. And then i-end ko tong video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung regalo ko kay Andre. Pa-blow natin siya ng cake. And then yung i-open niya yung regalo niya. So yun na yun. Morning. Isang Mango Supreme. Mango Supreme? Oo, yung buo. May candle kayo, sir?
Meron po, yung pula. Blue, may pink.
Blue.
Yes, sir.
Magkano? Free? Okay. Isa lang. Yung bang maliit lang yun? Siguro tatlo. Thank you. Alright, pre. So, nandito na yung cake ni Andre. Naku, pre, ang laki nito. Isang buo to. And then, kami lang dalawa sa bahay. Paano mauubos kaya namin to? And then, mamayang gabi, magsisimba kami. And then, pagkatapos, kakain kami sa labas mamayang gabi. Alright, so, i-surprise natin siya pagdating ng bahay. Pati yung regalo po sa kanya. Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andre. Happy birthday to you. Blow it. Woo! I love you, my baby. Love you. I love you.
Look at guitar! Woo! Keep it open. Dude, oh my gosh, bro. Dude.